Reverend Dr. Ken Gordon, spiritual leader for Centers for Spiritual Living, coming to you with the last week in January of our 2019 themes. And this week is provided and supplied by Dr. Jim Lockhart, who's retired from Simi Valley. And his topic was the last chapter of the Science of Mind, Back to Basics, which is chapter number 4, How to Use It. You know, this power, this source, this gift that we have called Science of Mind really is a class on how to utilize and use the natural balance of the universe in our life. How to get in touch with the truth of who we are and manifest what it is that we desire in the area of health, wealth, creative expression, loving relationships. From that, utilizing those principles and those things in order to be able to bring it into being. When we live in a conscious awareness of spirit and a conscious awareness of our connection to it, and we utilize it and use it using meditation, using spiritual mind treatment, what we find is that we can actually work as spirit in the world around us. We can bring into being that which we desire to have and that which we desire to have for others in the world through the utilization and use of the principles of Science of Mind and the tenets that we believe to be true. A new light is coming into the world. We're on the borderland of a new experience. The veil between spirit and matter is very thin. The invisible passes into visibility through our faith in it. A new science, a new religion, and a new philosophy are rapidly beginning to become developed. This is in line with the evolution of the great presence, and nothing can hinder its progress. It is useless as well as foolish to make any attempts to cover this principle or to hold it as a vested right of any religion, sect, or order. The truth will out. The spirit will make itself known. Happy are we if we see these things which from the foundation of the human race have been longed for by all aspiring souls. What we seek most is a healthy, mature spirituality. One that isn't bound by false beliefs, but is bound by the actual demonstrations and manifestations we can see in our life. Its only use and its only purpose is to teach ourselves to be in touch with ourselves with the unity of all of life. When we honor that and we utilize that and we move with that in our being and how we live our lives, what happens is we draw and attract what it is we desire into our experience. This thing that we utilize is who we are. It is not separate from us in any way, shape, or form. And if we were to remove all of the detritus that stands between us and it, what we would find and what we would see is the living light, soul, and spirit of life itself demonstrated in us, and through our experiences. This is the expression I want to have in my life, and it's the expression I would choose that you would have in yours. So, have a wonderful week. Don't forget to do your spiritual practice and know you're loved and you're honored. God bless you.